Hello my dear children, now we can study root of an equation. How can we check the value of the variable is suitable to the given statement? That is, for this equation x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here we know that the root of the equation, that is x is equal to 2. Then how can we check this value is suitable for this statement? X plus 3 is equal to 5 is the statement. Then here we can substitute. We got x equal to 2. We can substitute this value in LHS side. That is LHS is equal to x plus 3. Then when we are substituting this value in its equation, that is equal to 5. So here 5 is in RHS, that is equal to RHS itself. Now we can say the root of this equation x is suitable is equal to 2 is suitable for this equation. That is root is equal to the value of the given variable. Okay. So that is the root. So in this case, p plus 10 is equal to 9. Here we can find the value of this variable p. Here we can find this p when we are adding these two numbers, that is 10 and another number is p. We have to get 9 as the answer. So here p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to, here we are balancing, here adding with the 10. So we can subtract 10. So that same process we have to do in RHS. So here p plus 0. Here additive inverses plus 10 and minus 10. Then 0 is equal to 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. 9 minus 10. Here 10 is greater than 9. So that will be 10 minus 9, 1. The value, the sign of 10 is equal to minus. So minus 1. P plus 0, that is equal to p itself. So we got p is equal to negative 1. Now we can check by applying the value of p in LHS. That is, here the LHS is equal to p plus 10. So p plus 10, that is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Here negative and 1 positive. We can subtract 10 and 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. The value, the sign of, not value, sign of 10 is equal to positive. So positive 9, which is equal to RHS here for this statement. That is, actually the question was p plus 10 is equal to 9. P plus 10 is in LHS and this 9 is for RHS. We got p is equal to negative 1. We can substitute. How can we check the root of an equation? This is the root of this equation. Here the equation is p plus 10 equal to 9. Then while solving, we got p is equal to negative 1. Now we can say p equal to negative 1 is the root of this equation. Okay. Now we can check this root is correct or wrong for this given statement. This is the statement. This is the statement. Okay. So how can we check? We have to apply the value of the variable in LHS. Where in which side is the variable, there we have to apply. Then we have to check that the opposite side is equal to the value. When we are applying the value of variable, that time both sides should be same. Here a on 7 is equal to 3. So how can we find out? Here a into 1 on 7 is equal to 3. So here multiplying by 1 on 7. Now we can divide a on 7 divided by here multiplying by 1 on 7. So here we can divide by 1 on 7, that is equal to 3 divided by 1 on 7 by balancing. Then how can we do this calculation? Here we can take the reciprocal of this divisor. So 1 on 7 multiplied by 7 on 1, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 on 1. Now we can cancel this 7 and this 7. So here 1, here also 1. So anyway, we got a is equal to 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 21 on 1 is equal to 21 itself. Now we can check this root is correct or wrong. How can we check? Now this is the LHS part. A is in LHS. So we can apply the value of A in LHS side. Here LHS is equal to A on 7. We got A is equal to 21. So 21 on 7 is equal to 3 itself. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. That is equal to RHS. Clear for you? Now this value is correct. Next, one more question. N divided by 4 is equal to 5. So a number divided by 4 equal to 5. Okay. So here which number? Here n divided by 4. Then here what can we do? How can we avoid this one? We can multiply by 4. Actually this n divided by 4 we can write it as n on 4. Here in denominator, so we can multiply both side by 4 itself. So this one and this one we can cancel. So n is equal to 20. We got the root of this equation is equal to 20. Now how can we check? We can apply this value in LHS side. LHS, that is equal to 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 itself. That is equal to RHS. Okay. This side will be LHS and this side is known as RHS. If another question, 8 is equal to x divided by 5. Which number? How can we find out? Here we can solve this part, that is RHS. So RHS is equal to x divided by 5. Here dividing by 5. So how can we find? Here this one 8. Here we can cancel this 5 by multiplying 5. In both sides we have to multiply by 5. Then here 40 is equal to this 5 and this 5. We can cancel x. So we got x equal to 40. Okay, we got x equal to 40 for this equation. 8 equal to x divided by 5. Now LHS is x 8 and RHS is x divided by 5. Now we can check the root is correct. That is satisfying for this given equation. Then here the question was 8 is equal to x divided by 5. Now x is in RHS. So what can we do? We can write here RHS is equal to x divided by 5, which is equal to 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. We got LHS. So both are equal to each other. Now we can say 40 is the root of this given equation. I think now you got more ideas about root of an equation. Thank you.